TechnoArch. In today's video, I will be showing you how to accurately scale a drawing using a reference measurement in AutoCAD. Let's get started. Begin by drawing a reference line in your drawing that matches the required measurement. This line will serve you as a scaling guide. Type SC and press enter to activate the scale command. Click on the first reference point of the object you want to scale. This will be your base point for scaling. Type R and press enter to specify a reference length. Click on the first reference point again. Then click on the second point along the object that defines the current measurement. And there you have it. Your object is now scaled accurately in AutoCAD. This method can be used to scale furniture blocks, landscape blocks, or any other CAD objects as needed in your drawing. Thank you for watching. If you have any suggestions or requests for future videos, please leave a comment below. See you next time.